Thank you so much for all the new subbies. I really appreciate you guys, and welcome to the family. Welcome to the Taje fam. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. All right, my name is Taje Prest. For those of you that are new here, which is a whole lot of you, so welcome. Thank you so much for subscribing. So today I just wanted to quickly do the get to know me tag. We haven't gotten to 1,000 subscribers just yet, but I just felt like this was a good time to do this get to know me tag, because I feel like we're going to be at 1,000 subscribers pretty soon. Probably by the time I post this video, we will be closer to 1,000 than we are right now. So I just wanted to quickly do a get to know me tag. So I asked people on my Instagram to ask me some questions, and so people asked me questions as well as some stuff that I found online. So I'm just gonna do 30 questions, but I want to do them really quickly. What I've done is I haven't actually looked at all the questions because I want to look at them and I want to read them in front of you just so that my reaction is pure. Okay, all right, let's go. Hey, what is your full name? My full name is Taje Priscilla Prest. I am 30 and I'm a Nigerian, British Nigerian living in LA. Number one question is, where did you grow up? So I grew up mostly in England and Nigeria. First half of my life was England and Nigeria. Then most of my youth and whatever was all in England. I went to school there. I grew up there. Everything. So that's where the accent comes from. And that's where that's why I feel like I'm a British girl. So I did grow up in England, but I am originally Nigerian. So where do you currently live? I currently live in LA. Who's my first best friend? Her name is Isasa. It used to be Ogewanyi, but she's married now. So it's Isasa Olutu. And yeah, that's my best friend. She's still my best friend till this day. We've been best friends for over 25 years. I want to say 26 years, and I'm 30. So how tall are you? I am 5'8". Dogs or cats? Dogs. I'm not really a fan of cats. Funniest moment through high school? Funniest moment through high school? That's a good question. So my funniest moment through high school, I'm not sure, I can't really remember. I feel like it was probably like, so there was a time where a whole bunch of boys came from our neighboring school, and because I went to an all-girls school, Verdine, in South Africa, and then I went to an all-girls school, St. Teresa's, where I graduated from in England. I actually went to a lot of schools growing up, but I actually went around the world growing up. But yeah, that's a story time on its own, so I'll talk about that. But yeah, I think the funniest moments was when a time of a neighboring school, which is a boys' school, came over, and it was like we hadn't seen boys for a little while, so we were all acting like really crazy teenagers. It's the funniest thing, and I think we decided to play games with the boys, and then at some point, one of the boys fell down, but he didn't cry or anything, like he didn't take it personal. He started laughing, and then everyone burst out laughing because we were all quiet, like, because we didn't want any other boys to feel bad because we didn't get a lot of male visitors at our school often at all. So yeah. What year was I born? I was born in 1989. Are you in or have gone to college? Yeah, I've done, I graduate. I think college here is a university. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. So college, yes, I've done college. I have 2 degrees actually. And apparently my housemate brought to my attention that I'm actually studying my 4th degree, but it's not really, to me, it's okay, I'm studying my 4th degree, but I feel like the 3rd degree wasn't a degree, it was more like a certificate. But yeah, she brought it to my attention yesterday and it was hilarious to me. But anyways, what is my favorite drink? My favorite drink in the whole wide world is water. Sounds so boring, but it's water. I absolutely love water. I feel like water is the best thing in the world and it's absolutely refreshing. Yeah, so water. I also, if it's alcoholic beverage, if it's a cocktail, I love strawberry daiquiri and I love a Moscow Mule. And then if it's champagne, I absolutely love Veuve Clicquot or a Moet Nectar. And if it is a regular like mixed type of drink, I like a gin and tonic. So yeah, those are my drinks. What is your spirit animal and why? I feel like my spirit animal is a tiger because I feel like I'm fast in doing things, and I also feel like I dominate. So if I get into a room, you will notice that I'm there. I don't just walk into rooms. Oh my God, please, I'm begging you, please hit the subscribe button. Please. A lot of you are just watching and not hitting it. Please hit the subscribe. Please hit the subscribe button. Thank you. If I, you will feel my presence whenever I walk into a room. So I feel like I'm a tiger, but you know. You're wearing perfume. What scent is it? My absolute favorite perfume in the whole wide world is J'adore l'Or by Dior. And, you guys, J'adore l'Or is the best thing. I'll put it on the screen. It is the best thing since sliced bread. It's so good. It's by Dior, and I absolutely love it. I don't know why they don't make a bigger size than the size that they make right now, but it's really annoying. But apart from that, I absolutely love it. Tea or coffee? Tea, obviously England. What are your life goals? Wow. My life goals are, I really want to inspire young girls. People around the world, male and female, but mainly young girls, young Black plus size girls, because I want them to all know that you can absolutely love yourself regardless of your size, and no matter what skin you're in, no matter what, you know, you think might be a flaw, it's absolutely beautiful. And I want to be an inspiration, and I want them to know that they can make it in life without having to bend over backwards and using their vaginas. It's a longer story, but that's basically the short form of what I want to do in my life, basically. What sports do you play or have you played? I used to play basketball and netball. I'm really good at it, actually, but I haven't played basketball or netball in at least 5 years. So probably really rusty now. But yeah, absolutely love basketball and netball. I also love golf. My father did that. My father used to make us play golf with him, and we would always run to do it because that was the only time we could get to bond with him. So yeah, have any books you read that changed your life? Yes, The Wait by Megan Good and Devon Franklin. I absolutely love that book. I feel like that book put a lot of clarity into the decision to be celibate, because I had decided, but then, you know, when you know why you're doing something, but you just kind of need a reiteration. Yeah, so The Wait was the reiteration for me. What's my favorite movie? My favorite movie, I have quite a few, but the first one that always jumps to my mind is Love and Basketball. I absolutely love Love and Basketball. Like, I actually can't even, I don't even have to explain it, but I absolutely love Love and Basketball. I feel like Love and Basketball is the best thing since sliced bread. No, it's not, but yeah. I don't know. I feel like the reason why I love Love and Basketball so much is that because it gives you the hope. It gives you real life love, in terms of people do break up, people do fall out of love. Things happen, you know, relationships break up, people break up, they go date other people, almost marry someone else, all kinds of things. But at the end of the day, love will win if you fight for it. Yeah, I think that's why I love Love and Basketball. I have other favorite movies, but that's the one that always jumps to my mind first, and I'm only trying to mention one right now. Yeah. So, do you speak any languages, and how well? Yes, I speak English, obviously, and I speak a bit of Spanish. So, how well? I can go to Spain and not get lost, because I can, ooh, I feel like this hair in my front is like really annoying me. It just keeps coming in my eye, even though I don't think it probably isn't showing this coming in my eye in the picture, but anyways, it's just itching my forehead. So yeah, I speak a bit of Spanish. I could go to Spain and not get lost, and yeah, so I feel like that's how well. I'm not necessarily perfect at it. You might say some things to me and I will understand it or whatever, but I can find my way around. I could teach someone if they wanted to learn, but it would obviously be my version, not great or anything. Are you single or taken? I feel like I get asked this question every time I do an Ask Me question on Instagram. I get asked this question 20 million times. It's ridiculous. But yeah, I'm single. Single Pringle. What is your idea of your dream date? I think my idea of a dream date is someone that has gone out of their way to plan an entire day of activities, fun things, nothing too exhausting. I mean, I don't mind if there's a roller coaster ride in there somewhere, but you know, you've just dedicated the whole day to me, from like breakfast to a spa day to, yeah, from this breakfast to from a spa day, breakfast, spa day, breakfast, what else? Spa day, breakfast, roller coaster ride, like go to the park or something, then go for like dinner. I always like a good dinner. I like a good meal. Good restaurant, really nice restaurant, nice ambiance, some wine, champagne, or whatever it is. Good meal, 3-course meal. You know, and after that, yeah, during the roller coaster ride, we can have like random lunch, like just things at the park, obviously, like burgers and hot dogs and stuff like that. I don't mind that. And then after dinner, walk on the beach. yeah, it's very interesting that I want all that in one day, because I feel like roller coaster parks are always so far away from wherever the beaches are. But in somewhere like LA, it's possible, because we go all the way to Disneyland, rides, could go on some rides, and then come back and then go to Santa Barbara or Santa Monica or something and go on the beach. Yeah, so it's very possible. And go to Manhattan Beach or something. Yeah. So yeah, that would be my ideal date. Oh my God, have you hit the subscribe button? Thank you. Hit it. Hit it. Thank you. How long was your longest relationship? My longest relationship so far has been, I think, 3 years and 3 months. Yeah, 3 years and 3 months. I was much younger then. He was my first real boyfriend. Yeah, longest relationship. How would you describe your fashion sense? I would describe my fashion sense as, I want to say vivacious, because that's my name on Instagram and like all my platforms, but I think my fashion sense is comfortable and fun and sexy at the same time. So classy, comfortable, fun, sexy. 4 words. Classy, comfortable, fun, sexy. Because sometimes I like to dress really like fun and crazy. Obviously you can tell by my hair color sometimes. And then sometimes I like to be real comfortable, like right now. This is a Dada boy, my friend, one of my besties, Ehiz Okewale. He is an MTV based presenter, and this is his gear. He has drip, so this is his stuff. So sometimes I like to be comfortable. Yeah, sometimes I like to be comfortable, so this is one of those times. And sometimes I like to be sexy and embrace all the curves that I have on my body. And then sometimes I like to be comfortable, sexy, fun, vivacious. Yeah, that's me. Those are the times. I don't know. Sometimes I just like to just do craziness. So that's how I roll. Okay, what is my go-to hairstyle? My go-to hairstyle is my hair tied back. Like, my go-to hairstyle is my hair tied back, and then I put a wig cap on, and I just wear wigs. That's my go-to hairstyle. I do that all the time. Wearing my hair forward like this, packing my hair and bringing it forward like this is like, this is like the first or second time I'm ever doing this. Like, I don't wear my hair forward. Like, I just don't. I just feel like sometimes it annoys my forehead and I just can't be bothered with it. So sometimes I just don't wear my hair forward. And then, ooh, that looks really like, and that looks frizzy. So sometimes I don't wear my hair forward, but this is like the first time. So yeah, my go-to hairstyle is my hair tied back and wig cap on and just wigs. That's what I like to do 24/10. How many siblings do you have? So I have 5 siblings. 3 girls and 2 boys. I'm the first of everyone. Yeah, 5 siblings, 3 girls and 2 boys. I'm number 1. Is there anything else you'd like to know? What is your go-to fast food order? My go-to fast food order, lately it's been burgers, but before it used to be Chinese, but I feel like the Chinese that I've had in LA have been really shit. So I've just been sticking with burgers. So lately it's been burgers, which I quite like. Yeah, my go-to fast food. Do you use a PC or a Mac? I use a Mac. Your most memorable vacation memory? I would say it's the cruise that I just did with my mom in 2018, November 2018. I absolutely loved it. It was my birthday cruise from her, and we went to the islands. So we went to Bahamas, Mexico, 2 places in Mexico, Costa Maya and Cozumel. And we went to like 5 places, just can't remember what they were, but yeah. And it was on Symphony of the Seas, which is like the biggest cruise line at the moment in the world. The biggest ship at the moment in the world, and I absolutely love it. There's a new one that's about to come out and take over, but yeah, that was the one that was the biggest at the time. Yeah. So what are your morning, evening routines? My morning or evening routine. In the morning, I wake up, I pray. I read some things, some books I'm trying to go through at the moment. So I read some books and I get up. Lately, I haven't been eating on time, but yeah, I'm supposed to have eaten. So what I would do is I would get up, brush my teeth, have breakfast, or have a meal, and keep it pushing. But as it is right now, it is 6:30 and I haven't had anything to eat today. So I think this whole quarantine isolation situation is really fucking up my entire routine and my entire system. Evening time, I wash my face and I go to bed. Actually, I wash my face, I watch some movies, and then I fall asleep. I don't just fall asleep from washing my face. Unless I'm really exhausted, which is, I don't like to let myself get too exhausted. So it doesn't happen often. So unless I'm really exhausted, I don't sleep immediately. I crash. I don't sleep immediately. I hit the pillow. I will watch a few things and, you know, do all that. Pray, wash my face and go to bed. Do I have any bad habits? That's a good question. What are my bad habits? I know I have some, but I don't know what they are. Oh, I don't like, I know what I have. So my bad habit is I don't like to unpack. So when I travel on holiday and I come back, I really, really, really don't like to unpack. I don't know why. It's like a mental thing. I don't know what it is about unpacking. Maybe I just don't like the fact that I'm back to reality or something. But whenever I come back from a holiday, a trip, whatever it is, I don't like to unpack. So my things will be in my suitcase for at least, I want to say a week. I really don't like to unpack when I come back from trips. I don't know why. Yeah, I think that's one of my bad habits. Yeah, definitely one of my bad habits. Tell us one thing about you that we wouldn't know. Something about me that you wouldn't know. I like to sing and I'm a good singer, but I don't know why for some reason lately I've been really shy about singing, but I feel like it's because I haven't been practicing my singing skills. Like I haven't been using my voice very much. And because of that, I feel like maybe it is, I don't know. I haven't been using my singing voice much. And because of that, I feel like maybe it's not working in my favor. Like I feel like my voice isn't what it used to be because I haven't been using it much. Does that make sense? Yeah. So yeah, that's something you might not know about me. I like to sing. I'm actually good at it. But for some reason, I haven't been using it because I've been feeling like it's probably not as good as it used to be. So it's made me really shy. Yeah, it's the craziest thing. See, what was your dream job as a kid? So as a kid, I really wanted to be a lawyer. I actually went on to try to study law, but then I realized that it wasn't for me. And after that, I decided to study media communication and journalism again. So as a kid, I wanted to be a lawyer, and then I grew up and I realized that the justice system is caucus. So yeah, I scratched that, and I decided to, after that, went ahead and studied media communication and journalism, which I absolutely love, and it's what I'm doing now. I'm in the media field and I absolutely love it. Okay, question is, who is your celebrity crush? So my celebrity crush is Winston Duke. I don't know if you know him. I'm gonna put it on the screen. He is the guy from Black Panther. He is the guy from what's that movie? Confidential. I actually went to a premiere of a movie just to go see him in person. Yeah, so Winston Duke is my celebrity crush at the moment, which is funny because I generally like guys that have like abs and stuff, and he doesn't have abs or anything. Well, I don't know, I haven't seen his body, but from what I can tell, he doesn't look like he has abs or anything. Yeah, that's my celebrity crush. All right, so that is my 30 questions. I don't want this video to be too long. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed getting to know me a little bit. Okay, if you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscribe button and leave a comment down below and let me know what else you wanted to know about me. If I missed out any questions, please put them in the comment section and I will do them in my next one, because I will definitely do another get to know me as my followers increase. But thank you so much for all the new subbies. I really appreciate you guys, and welcome to the family. Welcome to the Taje fam. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Catch you in my next video. Ciao.